This is a advanced microprocessor based DO temperature meter with inbuilt memory along with RS-23 interface and dot matrix interface. So first of all, we will learn how to make DO probe ready for the measurement purpose. So this is a DO probe. This is a membrane. Just follow the process. Unscrew the DO probe. This is a KCl solution. Fill the DO probe fully with the KCl solution and screw it. Make sure there is no air bubble inside the DO electrode. Now the DO electrode is ready to use for the measurement and the calibration purpose. Once your DO probe is ready, switch on the machine. Display showing microprocessor DO meter, date and time, and after that temperature. So for the calibration process, press enter key, program key.
First,
Calibrate, check the cursor, move the cursor using increment key. You want to go for calibrate, memory, date and time and print. So we want to calibrate the machine. Just move the cursor toward the calibrate and press enter. And after that, which you want to calibrate, temperature or DO?
DO.
So here we are going to calibrate DO, cal DO. So check the cursor. Salinity stands for pressure adjustment, but we will not going to change the atmospheric pressure. So move the cursor toward 0 and press enter. Now ZR comes in the first row. Here ZR stands for 0. Now at that moment, put the electrode into the sodium sulfide solution and wait for the stable reading. Once the readings are stable, press enter key. Now 0 calibration is over. Now second, we are going to calibrate standard solution, that is normal water. Move the cursor to span and press enter. Here span indicates saturated water. Wash the electrode thoroughly using distilled water and put the electrode into the raw water. Now calibration process start for the raw water and wait for the stable reading. Once the readings are stable, press enter key. After pressing enter key, display showing like these two readings. So using increment decrement button, match the two readings. After matching the two readings, press enter. This makes the calibration process over. And press escape key for home screen. Now press enter. This is the reading mode. Move the cursor toward DO and press enter. This is the value of the DO with respect to the temperature. 004 stands for the sample number. Press store if you want to save the sample in the memory of the instrument. It saves the sample along with date and time.